Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired, and we have the new ZenFone 5 for you today, which is just launched in MWC 2018 in Barcelona. And here we have the device for you. Although I'm not in Barcelona, we have the production unit here for you to just see at least the first view of it. So this is the new ZenFone 5 2018. In this video, we'll see the unboxing of the new ZenFone 5 and the first impressions, although we're not aware of the pricing right now because it is just launched globally. This is the basic packaging because it is a pre-production unit. We would expect a better packaging in the actual sales unit whenever it is launched in India. Okay, so let's open the box, and here is the new ZenFone 5. We'll keep the phone aside for some time and see what are the contents in the box. So firstly, there is a charger which is a 5-volt 2-ampere charger, but company has promised so there will be a better charging adapter in the actual sales unit because this phone supports smart charging and AI charging as well. Then there are the earphones. These are basic decent earphones with some extra earbuds, and then there is the charging cable C-type. So here's the ZenFone 5. It has a metallic body frame with a glass back, and this glass back looks really amazing. So if we talk about the display, it's all screen display, 19:9 aspect ratio with ultra slim bezels. The bottom bezel was a little slimmer, then it would have really looked like iPhone X. It has a 6.2-inch Full HD plus IPS display with 90% screen to body ratio. On the top of the screen you can see notch. Along with that there is a earpiece. On the bottom we have inbuilt screen touch capacitive buttons, and then you can see the whole phone is a 2.5D curved glass. On the back there is a dual camera setup with the LED flash. On right hand you can see power button and volume rocker. On left side there is a hybrid SIM tray slot. On the top you can see a noise cancellation mic, and this phone has two noise cancellation mics. On the bottom we can see a C-type charging port, 3.5mm audio jack. This phone also has NXP amplifiers and DTS headphones for better audio experience, and there are the speakers. On the back you also get the fingerprint sensor, which has a 0.3 second fingerprint unlock. So Asus has not removed the fingerprint sensor unlike the iPhone X. On the back you have a 12 megapixel main camera with a wide angle camera, the secondary sensor. Color resolution of the screen looks really amazing. The touch is quite smooth, and the one thing which you will notice in this particular variant of ZenFone is that there is very minimal bloatware. So as there are really like ultra slim bezels, it is giving us an immersive visual experience. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor, which is the latest Snapdragon processor. So this phone will give a direct competition to Redmi Note 5, which is just launched with the Snapdragon 636 processor. Also this phone supports AI, artificial intelligence, in various segments. AI Boost Master, which enhances the performance as well. Here we have the Android 8.0, Asus ZenFone UI 5.0, battery is 3300 mAh with quick charge and AI charging. So this particular variant is 64GB plus 4GB, although the variant launched in MWC was 64GB plus 6GB. So we are expecting multiple storage models, 4GB, 64GB, might be 8GB as well. Let's come to the camera section. The main camera is 12 megapixel with a Sony IMX363 image sensor and f1.8 aperture. The secondary sensor is a 120-degree wide-angle camera with a f2.2 aperture. The portrait mode. In the modes there are beauty, super resolution, which is a very nice mode, panorama, time-lapse, slow-mo, GIF, Pro and Auto. And this phone supports 4K recording, and also you can take photos while recording videos. I always like the ZenFone's Pro mode. it gives you a lot of adjustment options. So if we switch to the front camera, it has a 8 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture and 84-degree field of view. It has pixel master as well, and you can shoot portrait selfies like good bokeh. You can get good bokeh effect selfies here. In the modes there are beauty, GIF animation, selfie, panorama and auto. Let's run through some of the pictures which I've just clicked here. And nice decent pictures with a decent bokeh effect, you can say. The colors captured are really nice. The selfies which I clicked are okay, not that great. The first impression of the phone is really nice. The screen looks quite impressive. It has AI. Along with that, it has a fingerprint sensor and a face unlock, which is 0.1 seconds unlock. So if Asus launches this phone at an affordable pricing, which is between 13 to 20,000, so this phone can be a rock star in 2018, and it could give great results to Asus. So this was the first look of the new ZenFone 5 launched in 2018. It has a 19:9 ratio and the looks are killer. So right now we cannot comment on the Indian launch or the availability or the pricing, but as ZenFone is promising us, it will be launched at a quite aggressive pricing in India. So this was it in this video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.